So, so. Let me see. How do I put it? Nah, it's not the way. Oh, it's here. Perfect. Okay. So, so welcome back. Oh, sheesh. It just moved away my alert. Okay. So today, what are we looking for? Um, Yesterday, let's go back. Yesterday, we had indeed our JPY. What did it do? It reacted to this zone. I closed roughly on here. You know. What is funny is that it's following a short-term downtrend, and yeah. By the way, I have webcam turned on, but it's okay. Until now, I did it with webcam without webcam, and I wanna try how it feels like. But yeah, going on here. We have a new low here. We have lower highs, and now price is trying to push down. Why that? Because drew. I have drawn my trend line in a perfect way. Like it really touched it, and then boom, it reacted instantly. So, how did I take the trade? Let me explain as simple as possible. So here we have an indication. Okay, I entered roughly here. Why that? Because I thought there was this tiny resistance here. Okay, stop loss above of here, because I thought, why not let it some space, you know, let it some space to react if it needs to. I didn't of 161.8. Why that? Let me see if it loads up. Okay, first of all, because we see there is this tiny resistance. Second, because if it needed to take the necessary time to go up here, in the meantime, I think a couple of minutes would pass by, you know. So a couple of minutes, I think maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour. In the meantime, the chart goes sideways, you know, and doing that, it will be like sooner that it no, I don't mean sooner, later, that it may hit this area, this trend line. When it hits, it will dump the price, you know. So yeah, I thought like that, and here I over loaded a bit, over. I'm gonna show you the trade right now. I entered under 0.36 lots here, and it seems to work. Field price 161.58. Yeah, roughly here, roughly in this zone. Yeah, here. It was very good entry. Why that? Because I retained this as like I was thinking myself, this has to be a lower high. So yeah, that was how I was gonna think about that, you know. Yeah. Why didn't I take a NZD-JPY trade yesterday? Because I wasn't sure that this was gonna be a support. Like, yeah, it rejected it and bounced off, then boom. But I was much more confident about this because we have a clear support on the 2 hour. Instead of here we don't have any clear support. Yeah, we have this one on of the 13th 14th, yeah, between the 13th and 14th of March in that night, but it wasn't a clear support. Here we broke it, so NZDJPY could be a how do you say that? A cool let me think. Now, what could happen here? We could break these lows here. Yeah, that's a bit strange here, because here we don't know if it will bounce and bounce off and try again to go up. It's very probable that it will do that. Otherwise, we could still go down and try to hit this level. That could be very probable because we every time we hit these targets, every time we hit the lows, so it could be very probable that it will try to take out this one. Jesus Christ, it doesn't load. Okay. Are we still on a bullish trend in like long term? Yeah, I could think of that. Let me see. I could think of that because we still broke highs. We didn't break lows. But Jesus Christ, it always interrupts life. Yeah, we still could though take out some lows here. You know, we could try to make another how do you say that, lower and another big support, because here it couldn't go up, so you could still be trying to take out some people here and then go down. But I think how do you say that? I think though I will close all the positions here in this zone. Okay. Why that? Because we don't know if it's gonna react and try to make another lower high, if it will remain like there and see what it can do, or if it can push down. We don't give a fuck what it does here, and anything can, really anything. Going on USDJPY, you see here made a couple of lows, and that's very interesting. It broke this. Let me see here. It broke here a couple of lows. Indication, correction, still couldn't do it, and yeah, that's nothing crazy. So, Nasdaq, what's going on Nasdaq? Very simple, guys, very simple. It's on a downtrend. It's still on a downtrend. Still on a downtrend, yeah. Here we have a resistance level, very funny, and um, looking at it on the 3 hour, this would have been a crazy swing trade, like, I mean, crazy, a crazy one. But it is what it is, because when markets go down, and I mean, Nasdaq has trillions, many, like thousands of trillions of, I don't know how much, so there is no problem. We could be making easily, I don't know, 100 million per month. Very easily. It's because of that I I think I think of that, yeah. Actually, I think I'm gonna slam in a little trade here. Nas, let me put maybe stop loss at first. Let me see if we got news today. If we got news. If we got news, okay, yeah. But not, there is nothing crazy, I mean, yeah. So I would put stop loss above here, like, yeah. Risk a little bit more. Oh, I don't mean that. Yeah. Maybe I'm fine losing about 70 bucks. Maybe. Fact is, we are on a let me risk less, because we don't know if it's gonna buy up again. So okay, perfect. So going back to our JPY. It might take the time it needs to take. Okay. Okay, so we still didn't hit the area. That's fine. And yeah, I would let it just work out, because I think it will touch this area. At least it's showing that it wants to go down, so I'm fine with that. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna stop the live stream. If there is any update or might be significantly important. Let's see gold. Okay. Gold. Wow. I don't have enough money. Nah, gold. I don't trade it. Like, it's weird how it moves. So weird.